Oh hey, today we're going to be unboxing the LitraPro. It has an app. Hi, I'm Matthew with Litra, and today we're taking a look at the LitraPro, the first full spectrum bicolor 1200 lumen LED light with a CRI of 95. Let's get into it. Do read the quick start guide. Like actually read it, okay? It's one page, just flip it over and read it. It's good to have. The LitraPro is a full spectrum 1200 lumen bicolor LED light. It's completely waterproof to 30 meters and unbelievably rugged. The LitraPro offers multiple mounting options with 2 1/4-inch tripod mounts. LitraPro is the only one in its field to offer an OLED screen that displays battery, brightness, and color temperature. The LitraPro is completely adjustable and customizable. On the left, you can incrementally change by 5% the amount of lighting up to 100%. You can adjust color temperature from 3000 all the way to 6000 Kelvin and back again with the press of a button. The LitraPro can also be controlled remotely through Bluetooth via the iOS app or the coming Android app. You can adjust the brightness as well as the color temperature. Included with the LitraPro is a diffuser that snaps right over top of Litra's LEDs. Also included in the LitraPro package is a standard micro USB charging cable. This fits directly into the waterproof housing on the side. There's an O-ring around the USB port, and as that door snaps shut, you know that it's waterproof. LitraPro also includes a cold shoe mount for your camera, whether you're in the studio or in the field. LitraPro also will include a GoPro mount, which is perfect for lighting your GoPro shots and rendering those perfect skin tones. The LitraPro will change how you approach lighting. It is a must-have for the photographer and videographer.